Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy, adding money to your Amazon Pay wallet balance for 2025. Whether you're stocking up for online shopping sprees or just want to keep your funds ready, this quick guide will have you set up in no time. Amazon Pay is all about making transactions seamless, and with potential updates in 2025, we'll stick to the core steps that work reliably. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Amazon app installed on your phone or access the website on your computer. This ensures you get the most up-to-date features. Once you're logged in, head over to the Amazon Pay section. You can find this easily by tapping on the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top corner, and scrolling down to Amazon Pay, or searching for it directly. Now, look for the Add Money to Wallet option. It's prominently displayed, often with a big button that says something like Add Funds. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to add. Think about how much you might need for your next purchase. Maybe start with a small amount if you're new to this. Next up, select your payment method. Amazon supports various options like debit cards, credit cards, net banking, or even UPI. Choose the one that's most convenient for you, and double-check the details to avoid any errors. Once you've confirmed, hit the Add Money button. You'll see a confirmation screen, and the funds should reflect in your wallet almost instantly, depending on your bank's processing time. And just like that, you're good to go. Remember, keeping your wallet topped up can make checkout faster and earn you rewards. If you run into any issues, Amazon's help section is a great resource. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.